first things first for you guys. I had this fan laying around from earlier this season. It's a Jake fan, but I figured I'd do this and show you guys how it's done. All you gotta do for these is to put it in borax for a couple weeks. Trim as much stuff as you can off down here. Make sure you get the tailbone out of it. And put it in borax for about 2 weeks. Dry it out, get it ready. But I put a little bit of camo cloth over mine just to kind of make it look better. But that's all you really gotta do for the fans. Stretch them out on a board, pin them up. This fan kind of looks a little bit rough. I'll straighten it out after I'm done with all of this and make it look right, but that's just how I done it. And there you go. Alright, after you get everything done with your fan, this is what I do. You take cotton balls, rip them in half, just enough to be able to stuff them down in here. Take like a knife or something and stuff them down in here. Just stuff your shell. Pack your shell with cotton balls. Don't pack them, just pack them to fill the void is what we're doing here. Put that in there. Alright, now that you got your shell stuffed with cotton swabs, put your beard inside the shell, just enough to where it'll hide where it come out of the bird at. So that's good right there. So now, take some super glue or hot glue, both of them will work just fine, and put it down in there and set that glue. This is just filling the space to where you'll have something holding the beard in. You seal them cotton balls up with super glue, hot glue, whatever you want to do. And after you seal it, I'm gonna put super glue on the bottom of my beard here. Lather it up pretty good. Put it down in here, in that cotton ball, and hold it there, dead in the middle of the shell until, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 minutes until it's set. Alright, after your shell, sets up with the super glue and it dries and everything, take a hot glue gun is what I do, and it's covered the strip, top of the shell. Make a good amount and then put it on the very bottom of your fan. A good amount too. Put it on the edge of the table. Turn the shell how you want it. Put that in the dead center. And you hold it till that glue is dry. Alright, the next step is to get your feet out. These have been sitting in borax for about 2 weeks. I've sealed them up after they were sitting in borax. Get a screw gun and a screw long enough to go through both of the feet and into the back of the fan without going completely through it and being able to see it. So what you do, and I also recommend before you even try to do this, to screw through the legs first, separately. And line them up the way you want them before you put it in. Get them tied down together, put them in the screw holes, tighten it down. And now you're able to move your feet to where you want them. And then you can flip the thing over and hang it. Make sure you put the spurs facing out towards the front of the fan and hang it up to where the spurs are coming out, like I said, and move your feet the way you want them to get them even, hanging off the bottom. And then after this, you'll put your wire on the back, and I'll show you that in a second. And then you can be able to hang them up, and that's your mount. It's pretty simple. You can do this in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes for under $10. If you have a screw gun and a screw you go get a hot glue gun and some super glue, you'll be able to do it. Alright, now all I got is a little piece of wire. And tie it at the ends, tie it up, and you put it in behind your feet. Put some hot glue on it. Stick it down in there. Put it in behind your feet, right above your feet, and you put it down. And is there any more hot glue to be able to come out of this gun? I don't have any more. And you come in here, put some more glue down on it. It won't go nowhere. When that ain't gonna go nowhere, you're able to hang it up. And that's how you create a, mount a turkey fan without spending 60, 70 bucks on a turkey mount. Or a panel for a turkey mount. But thank y'all for watching, and that's how I do it.